Through this video, I'm using pen for demonstration purposes only. This is to ensure that you can see all lines in which I'm creating when marking out. Pen is not used when marking wood, as it stains the wood as the ink from the pen get absorbed from the fibres of the wood. I'm only using the pen for demonstration purposes only so that you can see it, and pencil is always used when marking out. The work consists of two main parts. Firstly, the blade, which is made of steel because it is a strong, stiff material, prevents wearing and provides a perfectly level edge. The second part is the stock, which is made of hardwood, usually rosewood, and consists of a brass strip running down the edge. The brass strip is placed on the stock to prevent it from wearing due to friction between the tri-square and your piece. It also ensures that the stock is perfectly 180 degrees. It also allows the tri-square to run nice and smoothly up and down the piece as shown in the video. This prevents friction between the piece and the tri-square. With the stock and the blade connected perfectly together, it creates a perfect 90-degree angle in between the blade and the stock, as shown in the video. This 90 degrees is very important in our marking out process as we continue on through the video. How do you know that it makes 90 degrees to the surface? It is very important to ensure that this angle is 90 degrees, because in the marking out process, precision and accuracy is everything in the creation of a perfect project. To ensure that the tri-square creates a perfectly 90 degrees to the surface, you create two lines as shown in the video. If these two lines are not parallel to one another, it indicates that the tri-square is not creating a 90-degree angle to the surface. But if the two lines are parallel as shown in the video, it indicates that the tri-square is perfectly 90 degrees. What does parallel mean? Parallel means two lines or surfaces that will never meet. For example, the two rails on a railway track, as shown in the picture. What is the tool used for? The tool is used for marking and finding face side and face edge, precision and accuracy when marking out, and marking lines perpendicular to the surface. So what is face side and face edge? Face edge is the benchmark for precision. It is the two surfaces that are connected together that make the best 90-degree angle to one another. These sides can be found by using the tri-square. This 90-degree angle must be present the whole way along the piece. Finding face side and face edge, it is important to keep the stock and also the blade nice and tight up against the two surfaces of the piece and run the tri-square along the piece. By holding it up to the light, it allows the light to highlight the different bumps and hollows that the piece may create. This would be indicated by light shining through the bottom of the tri-square and where the shadow is being created on the video. Once you've located the two best sides that create the 90-degree angle with the use of the tri-square, you can now label them face side and face edge. Face side can be highlighted with a fancy L, and face edge can be highlighted with a V. It is important that you label these two sides so you can use these as datum edges for the rest of your marking out. Face side is identified as the larger surface and face edge is identified as the smaller surface. So what is a datum edge? A datum edge is a flat surface or straight edge from which all measurements can be taken. This removes the danger of making multiple errors. This is a demonstration on how to draw the face side logo. How do you know that the piece is 90 degrees? This relates back previously in the video. When you position the piece nice and tight up against the stock, it highlights if the piece is 90 degrees. As seen in this video, the piece is not 90 degrees to the other surface in which the stock is running up against. This highlights that this piece is not 90 degrees. As you can see, if you turn the piece over, we're looking to find face side and face edge. We've found one edge that is 90 degrees and the other is not 90 degrees. This determines on which surfaces are going to be face side and face edge. As seen, the side that is 90 degrees is going to be the datum edges for our measurements, as the two sides are perfectly 90 degrees and are straight edges. Face side is going to be the larger surface and face edge is going to be the shorter surface. This allows for precision and accuracy when marking out.